been wondering how to use cedarwood essential oil? Well, today you'll find out how you can use cedarwood to keep your family healthy. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburg, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click in the description below to find that link. Known for its rich hue and warm, woody scent, cedarwood essential oil has so many benefits. The cedarwood tree is native to cold climates, thrives in high altitudes, and grows up to 100 feet. Is it surprising then that with all that size and strength, cedarwood oil would have a very grounding benefit? Its top properties are anti-inflammatory, diuretic, astringent, sedative, antiseptic, and insecticidal. Wow, it has so many properties. So how can we use it? Well, if you have a fidgety child who can't be still, apply cedarwood to the back of the neck, across the forehead to soothe anxious feelings and regain focus and concentration. Scaly, itchy skin? Try adding a drop of cedarwood and a drop of lavender to a carrier oil or your favorite unscented lotion. Are your sinuses bothering you? You can apply cedarwood oil to the chest and forehead or cup and inhale. Cedarwood is also a great oil to apply to the jawline to support healthy gums. And of course, you can use it to deter insects. Put it in the diffuser or apply it topically. Finally, one of my favorite ways to use cedarwood is to put it in the diffuser at night to help support a restful night's sleep, or you can apply it to the bottoms of your feet. Cedarwood, it can be used topically and aromatically, but not internally. Now you've learned just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.